Sa part 1 sa atong Siargao Island Adventure, mao ang atong island hopping tour. Ibisita nato ang ilang naked island. Nag-snorkeling punta sa ilang secret coral garden. Kahuman, naniugto sa Dako Island. Nihapit punta og naligo sa ilang secret island sandbar. Pagkahuman, nagpa-chillax o nagpabugnaw sa Guyam Island. Karon, kuyog na punta ug atong bisitahon ang ubang atraksyon sa ilang lugar. Atong adtuon ang ilang coconut view deck. Isuway pod mi og surfing dito sa Pacifico Surf Spot. Pabugnaw pod ta diri sa Magpupungko Rock Pool. Sunod atong adtuon ang ilang Maasin River. Pagkahuman sa dili pa mi manguli, chillax sa ta diri sa may Cloud9 Boardwalk. Tara, kuyog ta atong panibagong adventure karon. Alright, start na tos ng adlaw para taas lagi. Let's go! Alright, first na may taon doon is pamahang. Medyo tulog na. Then, inside a simple song, running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. Medyo ulan lang ron pero diretso na ta. So puyo tas bahay matuog. Para kita alas nagpamahawan na rin. I'm tired in oh so many ways. Been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain. Word delivers pain. And I got nothing more to say. I'm just bored in every way. I don't know where I want. Kanina gising sa morning na to. Morning mamagang. Hindi mo palabi. Hi, Ma'am Ted. Hi, Sir Fran. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. Sa coconut view deck. And then, wala. Coconut, kumang makitaan din eh. So nice yeah. Pakita na ako sa drone shot. Let's go! Atong i-try ng ilang human drone diri kay murag gibo kay sila diri oh. Tanawa.
Solo ka ba?
Ah, nga naon ta naon niya. Ah, see?
Welcome to Sega!
Money. Kinabiuhan oh. Inga naon do day pagimo. Ang product nila gibaligya nila dire. Depende ra niya kung ihatag ninyo sa katong human drone mo to nila to. And then nasa lay product nga i-offer dire.
True.
100.
Angan ana is
It's true.
it's true.
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to.
So, ano ta sa Pacifico? For today's video.
Kana ra mo dire sir magsok diha si Roque buhangin lang jud. Go tingala ni
Kaya raw di ay sila.
Bisaya kayo.
Kaya ra sila ni Mom.
Wala dire sila sir taga Bohol.
Iyawan, taga-dire kasi Tagalog.
Diri mga tao mo sinema ko na video. Baga ba magpaano ba magpanran?
Mangihis.
500 ang dire.
500 pot eh.
With instructor na. Oh, with instructor na. Plus longboard, okay na siya.
Kala ko 500 din ihi with instructor.
Mas wide dire, sir. Ganahan ko.
Pacific Ocean naman ino.
Amo, di Pacifico ang tawag.
Sa Pacific Ocean ito man.
So, welcome to Pacific. West Philippines. How to check.
Freighting karon sa kaning Pacific Ocean mo nang nasa mga baod ano daghan kay mga sort good site ni siya for surfing. Diri sa ubos diha taas na yung mga training diha. Tapos after ana is pwede na ka mo surf dito. O di ka ana kay sa mga anad naman ton dito. Hinay isa lang ta. Try na to niya.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue.
Pansit. Yun ang ato ng moment pero ay pagpulong at balay ron, buwan ang mutuwang, buwan mutuwang.
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that.
Ang nga ng lugar ah?
Magpungko-pungko. Magpupungko. Excess baggage. Mauni ang famous nga magpupungko. Hopefully kusog ra ang audio kay nasuot ni siya ang kamera sa waterproof case. Kidaan naman yung kamera. Bukay na kayo, need na tayong palit o bago. Puhon. Na-elevate adto kani niya diritikas. Na-iligyoanan.
Always on a high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The days we were told would never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. Wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the
Yes, na meron sa magpupungko and nindot kayo ang lugar. Dili siya madungan kung high tide kay kani na-elevate ni nga part kani nga area na-elevate ni siya dayon og low tide ra ay masundan ning area ha. So nailiguanan dito dapit unya karon kani is kina lauman na nandiana nga area Pacific Ocean. Grabe. Sulit kayo. Sulit kayo ang Siargao. Mao ni ang swimming area nila dito. Kay dito is taas naman dito. Laom na. Dire ning elevate ni siya gamay and then ana pud pool dire. Ginagapuhan. Pakita na ko. Kinatin awan. Nice. Mo na mong gilangoy-langoyan ganina. Galing kay hanap lang ang video kay nasuod siya sa underwater nga case. So karon akong gitang try tang-tang. Fire kayo, nice kayo. And to ara sila padung na dere. Kay gipanggutom na. Next stop na mo ron is Maasin River.
Maasin River with Maasim friends.
With maasim.
Kaya pa, kaya. Larga. Let's go!
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
Sila?
Apoy ba yan? Bunting. Puro raman bata.
Awak si Matilda. Hawakan mo Matilda ha. Yan. Kay.
Pwede lang po yung entrance fee po per person po. Tapos, baka gusto niyo mag-board, sir.
Kita baka timulong post dito na. Wow! Eko ano na sa. Okay. Tambagon ako na kay Takas kay. Basta ba hagi na po.
Ah, let's go. Ah, ano di ay kadiha, ano di ay andrama. Ah. Eh.
Ay, buaya!
It's a prank. It's a prank, guys. Waya mo yung ano dahil dito. Walang kaganapan. Balik.
mo ma'am, sir. Exit na sir palabas.
Ah, exit daw. Sinay. Available sa ila hapod ang kaning mga boat ani kayak. Mo ni katong sauna no nga nay kuan magang no katong nay gatakilid nga lubi. Mo ni ang activity nila diri. Ay kayak. Sa mga hilig og kayak, pwede kaayo. Kayak lagi. Asa di mong pagdungo? Ha? Uy. Magkayak sa
Kayak ba?
magkayak sa dagat, magkayak tang tanan. Ah. Mo ni sa una no katong naay ka ng lubi nga katong harag nga lubi no. Pero na ano naman ata? Nabali. Morg mauni?
Bye-bye.
Humana sila kayak, uli na. Uli na sila. Siargao side.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned.
Nice. Di lang may mulayat kay gitong tugnaw na may. Enak na. Hi Magang. Na-enjoy ka Magang?
Yes, pero na ko pa ang baka kay nauna niya ka ng
Balik na po duguan. Tabo ron, balik na po mig hugma na po mig balik ron. Okay. Balhin tagamay sa ilang garden daw, secret garden.
ba?
Pas-pas mo mga higala. Exit to sa garden ta magisuddan dai. Insud me.
Asay masindot diri picture shot ta diri kamog tanan.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our last day and wato mi karon sa Cloud9 before me pick up on going to airport. So gabi ini ato mi Cloud9 pero night time lights na makita na to, pero today ato ipakita ang Cloud9
Morning mode.
kay mag
Breakfast dayon.
surfing si Ma'am Cristel.
Sakit gihapon mo mga ano.
Gani pag mata na ho ba.
Kilig ka adto inig bakod do.
Sakit kayo dire.
Ang awa pa mamgang kay ani oh.
Okay, Laura.
I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody.
Nice gid siya mamagang og kuan. Nindot siya og buntag ka mare. Cloud9 kay mo ni ang surfing area po nila dire. Ay boardwalk. And then dito. Actually dire na may gabi ning balik lang may kay ngip-ngip man di kay na ma-appreciate ang view. Mo ni surfing area nila dire, Cloud9 sa may General Luna lang gihapon.
Home points updated. should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say, choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Mo ni pwesto sa mga beginner nga surfer. Ari na nila pwesto. Diri dapita. Anas lang mag-practice diha. Diri. Kana dire. So para nako bisag iuwan ta didto gahapon, mas nindot didto kay dagko og wave sila diri ra sila sa mabaw kayo din itulak igo maka-practice. Pero okay lang for beginner. Dire. Tako pa sila din. And now, mamagang mamahaw sa me and then biyahe na sa airport. Salamat sa pagkuyog na mo. And then bye. See you sa next vlog.